If you have a house in Barberton, Ohio, and you want to sell fast for cash and for a fair price and keep things simple, or if you're at least thinking about selling your Barberton house at some point in the future, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Barberton, Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to briefly explain why so many sellers of houses in Barberton prefer to sell to us rather than selling the traditional way with a real estate agent and to a traditional buyer, because oftentimes these traditional buyers, they're working with some mortgage company or some lender involved, and this can create a lot of confusion and it could create a lot of hoops for you, the seller, to jump through. And you're going to see in this video, all of that is completely unnecessary, and it's going to save you and you're going to be able to keep a lot more of your money from this transaction when selling to a direct buyer like us. So when someone is selling their house in Barberton, the reason they like working with us is we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. What that means is you, as the seller, you don't have to fix anything. You don't have to clean. You don't have to run a broom across the ground or clean the windows, or you don't have to clean anything. You don't have to fix anything. You don't got to go to the Home Depot. You don't got to hire a handyman. You don't need to do anything like that, and you don't need to haul anything away. So a typical conversation when someone in Barberton is selling their house is we tell them, you can take anything that you want out of the house. Any family collectibles or family, anything you want. Anything that you just don't want or don't need, you can just leave it behind and we'll take care of it all for you. And what allows us to buy these houses in Barberton and surrounding areas in their as-is condition, what allows us to do this is we're a cash buyer. And this is the biggest difference between us and those traditional buyers with the real estate agents who's using a traditional lender. We're a cash buyer. So there is no third-party approvals needed, because when you're working with these traditional buyers, oftentimes if they have a mortgage company or they got a lender involved, well, guess what? The lender has all the control. You are giving and sacrificing all of your control over to this lender. They got all the control. You know how these banks are. I don't need to tell you that. But the bank who's funding this traditional buyer, since they're not a cash buyer like us, well, this bank is going to send through a formal inspection on your house. And the sole purpose of this inspection is to nitpick your house and find everything wrong with it. They're looking for any reason they possibly can to cancel this transaction or to make you contribute and do work and give you a laundry list of weekend warrior tasks for you to do before this closes. This is all unnecessary. And if you survive this thorough inspection, which does nothing but nitpick, they spend all day trekking through your house and looking in every nook and cranny. If you survive that with this traditional buyer, well, here comes the appraiser. And the appraiser can be even more, they scrutinize your house even more because they work directly for this lender. Their job is to find reasons for the lender to back out. And this is going to leave you high and dry. If they cancel this thing, you've gone through all of this. How much time is wasted? And let's pretend actually they're willing to close. Well, if this traditional buyer has a real estate agent, who do you think is going to be expected to pay the commissions? It's you. This is getting expensive, this is getting complicated, and this is all avoidable by selling your house in Barberton fast for cash to us. We're a direct buyer, we're a cash buyer, there's no third-party approvals needed whatsoever, and we have hundreds and hundreds of positive reviews, testimonials, and references for you. We're local. This isn't some foreign call center here that, we're going to pretend like we know about Ohio or anything like that. We're from here. We're locals, and we're going to treat you like a neighbor. So if you have a house in Barberton and you want to get a fair cash offer, just like so many other people have done, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website. That's because we were founded in Columbus. It's the heart of the whole state here, right in the middle. And it's just too good of a website to get rid of at this point. But we're very active in Barberton, Ohio, Akron, Canton, and across the entire state of Ohio. So when we get on the phone, it's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about your house and then know more about the timeline in which you're looking to sell. And this is key, because when you work with us, all the power is left with you. The ball is in your court. You tell us when you want to close. So if you want to close quickly, we absolutely could accommodate that and make it happen. Or if you need flexibility and you want to close at some point in the future, we could accommodate those needs as well. And when we're on the phone, we're going to make you a fair cash offer. If our offer works for you, perfect. We will move forward and communicate with you transparently throughout the entire process. You're always going to know exactly where this thing is at and when we're closing. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. No crime, no foul. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to apply unnecessary pressure or have fake urgency. We're not here to play games or gimmicks or sales tactics. We're not here to read scripts. We're here to speak to you like a human being who's our neighbor, because that's exactly what we are. We're here for you. So if you have a house in Barberton, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast for cash for a fair price and keep things easy, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We buy houses in Barberton, Ohio fast for cash, and my name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.